Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the flange bushing in one of the wheels on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a 1/2-inch socket, a small gear puller, a large flathead screwdriver, a mallet, and wood supports. Lift the rear of the chipper shredder and use the wood supports to prop it up on both sides. Use the small gear puller to partially pry the appropriate push cap forward. You can now use the 1/2-inch socket, the small gear puller, and a small piece of wood to fully detach the push cap. The push cap's inner plate may have to be removed separately. With the push cap fully detached, you can slide off the wheel assembly. You can now use the large flathead screwdriver and mallet to knock out the old flange bushing, if still intact. To install the new flange bushing, insert it into the inside of the wheel assembly and use the mallet to knock it into place. Confirm the spacer is on the axle, then slide on the wheel assembly. Align the push cap on the end of the axle. While holding the cap and axle on the opposite side, use the mallet to fully secure the cap. Remove the wood supports, and the chipper shredder should be ready for use.